So here is the problem. Most network marketing and affiliate marketing companies only offer their marketers and affiliates 5 to 10% profit. So realistically, it's going to take 3 to 5 years to build a full-time income in traditional home-based businesses. So how long will it take you to earn $1,200 in your current company? Well, let's do the math. If you're earning $5 per every $100 in volume, it would take you 240 customers. So imagine with me if you could earn $1,200 per sale. And to all of those that have recently or in the past said no to your opportunity, 97%, this is true, 97% of homeowners stay broke because of what their MLM or the network marketing companies tell you to do, which is only talk about their products. Find anybody with a pulse and get them to watch your presentation. And if they don't join, just either forget about them or keep harassing them until they join. That's brutal. So go back to your list of 100 and keep convincing them, right? Without giving them value, without discovering what they're challenged with, just keep blasting your products at them, and eventually they'll probably buy just because they want you to stop harassing them. What if the company goes out of business, or even worse, changes comp plans, business models? I have a newsflash for you. If you're a network marketing distributor, you are not a business owner. You're simply a sales rep for that company. So think about the leaders in your company right now. Close your eyes, and as you're watching them walk across the stage, think about, do they have their own courses, products, coaching, trainings? Do they have multiple income streams? Do they have offers by attracting value to them, but they don't spam, right? They brand themselves, and in some cases, when you look at their profile, you have no idea what company they're even in. And they're able to recruit reps without any rejection, zero. If you would like to learn more about what is about to be announced at this State of the Union for online marketers happening this Wednesday, I have something very special for you. This is a new income accelerator, earning a $1,200 commission right away, and it's on autopilot as you grow your MLM or network marketing company. So it includes push button done for you courses and solutions to get more leads and more customers for your specified business. This will be a one-time only event, and our accelerator secret is proven to help networkers just like you to create fortunes online. Fortunes. So unlock the map below. Become a top earner in your company by following your dream and offering a solution to what others have a problem with. All right. So I've put the link below. Join us this Wednesday, and a very, very special announcement will be made on exactly what you're looking for. So this is Debbie. For the last 3 years, I have been an affiliate with this company, and it has not only helped me to be a marketer, right? I've learned the art form of marketing. And not only that, but it's helped me to earn a commission. So right away, I could start affording my monthly auto ship with my MLM company and stick with it. And now it's growing alongside of me growing. This is Debbie. I invite you, if you're on my newsletter or you're watching this right now, you like me, you know me, and obviously you trust me to listen all the way to the end. I've put the link below. Join me on Wednesday night. You will be amazed at what you're about to learn. And I thank you for watching.